Welcome everyone, thank you for showing up again. If you've made it this far through mouth training, brain-mouth syncing, and forging real confidence, then you're not just another learner anymore, you're a fighter. You're someone who's already broken through walls most people never even touch. But today, we go beyond survival, we go to mastery. We're going to turn your English from I can speak without fear into I speak with power, influence, charisma, and presence. By the end of this video, I want you to feel this deep in your bones. My English is not just fluent, it's magnetic. When I speak, people listen. When I speak, things happen. So lock in, stay till the finish. If this series is changing your life, subscribe right now, hit the bell, and in the comments later write exactly this. My English is magnetic. Let's flood this section with people claiming their power. Let me ask you something straight. You can now warm up your mouth in 60 seconds. You can think and speak without heavy translation. You can face fear and speak anyway. But when the moment matters, job interview, important meeting, negotiation, first date, public speaking, storytelling with friends, do you still feel like something is missing? Do you still sound okay instead of unforgettable? Do people listen politely but not lean in? That's because fluency is the floor. Charisma, presence, influence, that's the ceiling, and almost no one teaches you how to reach it. Most English channels stop at repeat after me or don't be shy. They never tell you how to make your voice command attention, how to paint pictures with words, how to make people feel something when you speak. That ends today. This is not another routine. This is the art of spoken English mastery. How to speak so people remember you, trust you, follow you, feel inspired by you. No fake accents needed. No perfect grammar required, just your authentic voice, amplified with intention, rhythm, emotion, and storytelling power. This is the level 1 wish someone had shown me when I was finally fluent, but still felt invisible in rooms full of native speakers. This is how ordinary fluent speakers become extraordinary communicators. Let's begin. Part 1, the missing layer, why fluent still feels flat. Here's the hard truth most fluent learners never hear. Fluency makes you understandable. Mastery makes you unforgettable. Fluent equals people get your message. Magnetic equals people feel your message. They remember your face. They quote your words later. They want to talk to you again. What's the difference? It's not more vocabulary, it's not zero mistakes, it's energy plus emotion plus vivid language plus vocal variety plus storytelling rhythm. Most learners speak like robots even when fluent, flat tone, monotone speed, no pauses for drama, no rise and fall, no pictures in the words, no feeling behind the sentence. Result? You say correct English, but it lands like email. Boring. Forgettable. Easy to ignore. Native-level communicators don't just deliver information, they deliver experience. They make you laugh, think, feel excited, feel understood, feel challenged, all with their voice and words. And the best part? You don't need to be born charismatic. You can build it, like any skill, deliberately, daily, with focus. Today we install the final layer, magnetic delivery. Part 2, the daily 12-minute magnetic voice routine. My promise to you, do this 12-minute routine every single day for 30 to 60 days, and people will start reacting differently when you speak. They'll say things like, "You have such a nice way of explaining things. I could listen to you all day. You really made me feel that story." This routine trains 5 pillars of magnetic speech. 1. Vocal energy and variety. 2. Emotional coloring. 3. Picture painting. Vivid language. 4. Pause and rhythm mastery. 5. Authentic storytelling. Step 1. Vocal fire up 3 minutes. Wake up your voice like an actor before stage. How? A. Sirens. Glide from low to high pitch and back. Ooh, like a siren. 5 times slow, 5 times fast. B. Power breaths. Inhale deep for 4, exhale strong, high, on 4 counts 8 times. C. Emotion scales. Say, wow, in 5 emotions. Excited, surprised, sarcastic, sad, angry. Then really, in the same 5 ways. D. Speed waves. Say any sentence, e.g., this is my life now. Slow motion, then super fast, then normal with punch. Y. Your voice is an instrument. Warm it, stretch it, color it. Flat voice equals flat impact. Step 2. Emotion injection, 3 minutes. Choose 3 short sentences. Say each one 5 times, each time with different emotion underneath. Examples. I can't believe it. Right pointing arrow, excited / disappointed / suspicious / relieved / shocked. I'm so happy for you. Right pointing arrow. Genuine joy / fake polite / jealous / sarcastic / proud. Record 1 round. Listen. Feel which versions hit harder. Why? Emotion is the secret sauce. Words without feeling are forgettable. Feeling without control is chaos. Train both. Step 3. Picture painting drill, 3 minutes. Take boring facts and turn them into images. How? Pick 3 simple ideas. Say them first plain. It was raining. Then vivid. The sky cracked open and rain hammered the streets like 1,000 angry drums. Another. I ate breakfast, right pointing arrow. I tore into warm, crispy paratha dripping with golden butter while the chai steamed in my face. Say each pair 3 times. Feel the difference in your mouth and energy. Why? Vivid language sticks in brains. People remember pictures, not bullet points. Step 4. Pause and rhythm mastery, 2 minutes. Master silence as much as sound. How? Take 1 longer sentence or short story, 4 to 5 lines. Mark pauses. I woke up. Pause 1 second, looked outside. Pause and realized. Longer pause. Today is the day I stop waiting. Say it with dramatic pauses, rising energy, then drop on keywords. Repeat 5 times, exaggerating first, then natural. Why? Pauses create tension, build anticipation, give weight to important words. Monotone speech has no pauses, no power. Step 5. 1 minute story bomb, 1 minute. End every session with this. Tell a 60-second personal story with full magnetic delivery, energy, emotion, pictures, pauses. Record it. Example topics. Funniest moment this week. Why you started learning English. A dream you're chasing. Something that made you angry lately. Listen back once. Ask, would I want to hear this person keep talking? If no, right pointing arrow, do it again tomorrow better. Total. 12 minutes. Daily. No excuses. This is your voice gym for influence. Part 3. Speak to move people. The Influence Toolkit. Now let's give you weapons powerful speakers use every day. 1. The you opener. Start sentences with you to pull listeners in. You know that feeling when you ever wonder why? You can probably imagine. 2. Contrast power. I used to think, but now I realize. Most people quit. I decided to fight. 3. Sensory hooks. Don't say it was good food. Say, the spices exploded on my tongue. Sweet, then fire, then cool relief. 4. Question hooks. Throw mini questions. And guess what happened next? Can you believe that? What would you have done? 5. Call to emotion. Close end strong. So next time fear tries to stop you, remember this. Your voice is waiting to be heard. Practice these clusters daily like last videos. Blend them into your stories. Watch people lean in. Part 4. This is your legacy voice. Close your eyes for a second. Imagine this future you. Walking into a room, job interview, wedding speech, podcast, negotiation, and the moment you speak, the energy shifts. People stop scrolling. They look up. They listen. They feel something. They remember you. That version of you is not fantasy. It's the result of daily 12-minute choices, of refusing flat delivery, of choosing emotion over safety, of painting pictures instead of listing facts. You've already done the hard part. You trained your mouth. You synced your mind. You killed the fear. Now you're claiming the reward, a voice that doesn't just communicate, it captivates. So stand up right now, look in the mirror, say this loud: my English is magnetic, I speak with fire, I paint pictures with words, I move hearts and minds, I own every room I enter, this voice is mine and it's powerful. If this video woke up the leader inside you, like it. Share it with someone whose voice deserves to be heard. Comment right now: my English is magnetic. Let's make this the comment section of people stepping into their power. You're not just fluent anymore, you're magnetic, you're influential, you're unforgettable. Go use that voice today, tell a story, give an opinion, inspire someone, change a room. The world has heard enough quiet English. It's time for your voice to echo. I'll see you and hear you in the next chapter. Keep amplifying, you were born for this.